Today I'm going to tell you all about what you should be doing right now as a leader before the end of the school year to prep for next year. Okay, the first thing that you need to be doing right now to get yourself fully in like a fantastic position for the upcoming school year is to go ahead and start setting your calendar for your group. The first thing you want to do is grab a blank calendar and start filling in all of the different dates. So I would totally start with holidays, like nationally celebrated holidays, like government holidays, and then add in school holidays, and then go ahead and figure out any major sporting events that might be going on in town, because you don't want to be conflicting with those, because then people will go to those events and not to your PTO event. So go ahead then and add in all of your PTO meetings and start figuring out when you're going to have the fundraisers. So that you have a nice giant plan, and then you can start filling in the little details. But if you have the meetings and the fundraisers on the calendar, then you can base pretty much everything else around those events. The next thing you want to be making sure to do is to start taking a look at your events from this last year. What worked? What stank the big one and you don't want to repeat at all? Start just really evaluating the events to see what you want to repeat. I don't recommend totally coming up with a fresh game plan every single year. There are some events that are tried and true, and families love them and would be upset if they miss them. So make sure that you're carrying those over from year to year, but dump the losers. And the one way you can tell whether or not an event is a loser is by tracking the events with a fantastic planner. And I happen to have just the thing. It's called the PTA PTO President's Planner. And it's available in my shop on my website at ptoanswers.com. The next thing you want to be doing is to be filling any open roles in your PTO. So even if you are not president of your group, if you know that there are open roles in your PTO, you can ask your president if they want help with filling some of the roles. So you can ask people who are interested and start getting more people into positions so that they can prepare over the summer and be part of the whole planning process that should be happening over the summer. They can hit the ground running in the fall. The very last thing that you should be doing as a leader in your PTO to prepare yourself for next year is you need to start cleaning out the binder that you have and getting out any information that is old and outdated, and figuring out what information that needs to be retained from year over year to help you in the coming year and also other people that might fill your role in the coming year. So there you have it. There are just a few things that you need to be doing as a PTO leader right now to set yourself up for success for the coming year. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can keep getting great tips about how to run your PTO effortlessly and confidently. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe so you can keep getting great information about how to run your PTO with confidence and effortlessly. I can't even say the word.